Allow trading is closed on October the 9th, 2018. We had some calls yesterday. We said that unless we close little change, we should have a big move. I define little change as 4 points or less. We dropped 4.09, so that's a near miss, but a miss nonetheless. We had a target of 28.70.75. We said it was killed if we gapped and promptly moved over these highs. Gap doesn't have to be in the same direction, so once we cleared these highs, the call was killed. We'll add it to the list. Now, futures trade at a 4-point premium to cash, and overnight we hit this number pretty much exactly. But I'd only count it as being satisfied if it gets hit in regular trading hours, so once again it's a near miss. MEJT said these rallies and that drop weren't the real thing. We've already had the retracement and the buy signal's been satisfied. Nothing new for tomorrow. This is a pattern which usually closes at the day's high. When it doesn't, it's trouble unless we gap and take out this high early. So the question is, will that happen? I think there's a reasonable chance that we will. Not a lock. Here was a reversal bar involving the upper band, targets a challenge of the lower band. Here's a reversal bar involving the lower band that targets a challenge of the upper band, invalidated if we undercut this low. So we have a Bollinger Band signal, which is positive, as long as this holds. We have a daily pattern, which is negative unless we gap over this high. The ideal situation, particularly since yesterday's low was within the 2-day tolerance of my date, would be to gap over this high, but it's not a lock. And I think the pattern should be a lot clearer after tomorrow's open. Now, tomorrow's pattern, I think, is the one with the early high, and then Thursday, the one with the early low. But tomorrow's pattern could be irregular with lots of whipsaws. Wouldn't surprise me if the pattern weren't clear even after the day was over. When you have cross currents like this, it's not really the kind of thing I like to bet my money on. Clarity after the open. If this holds, we go down. If it falls early, good chance of this holding, and that's today's call.